Depression is a pervasive mental health condition that affects millions of people worldwide. It's essential to recognize the signs of depression, as early intervention can significantly impact one's well-being and quality of life. While some symptoms are more obvious, others can be subtle and easily overlooked. This article delves into 10 subtle signs that may indicate depression, aiming to increase awareness and encourage timely support. Feeling consistently tired and lacking the energy to engage in daily activities can be a subtle sign of depression. It's more than just physical exhaustion, it's a mental and emotional fatigue that makes even simple tasks seem overwhelming. People experiencing this symptom often struggle to get out of bed, find it difficult to concentrate, and may lose interest in activities they once enjoyed. Depression can influence one's appetite, leading to significant changes in weight. Some individuals may experience an increase in appetite and weight gain, seeking comfort in food. Conversely, others may lose their appetite and experience unintentional weight loss due to a lack of interest in eating or a decreased ability to derive pleasure from food. Disruptions in sleep patterns can be indicative of depression. Some individuals may find it challenging to fall asleep or stay asleep, leading to insomnia. Others may experience hypersomnia, where they oversleep but still feel fatigued throughout the day. Changes in sleep duration or a constant struggle with sleep can impact one's mood and overall well-being. Depression often affects cognitive functions, making it difficult to concentrate and make decisions. Individuals may find it challenging to focus on tasks, follow through with plans, or remember details. This cognitive impairment can interfere with work, relationships, and daily responsibilities, adding to the burden of depression. Depression doesn't always manifest as persistent sadness. It can also surface as irritability and agitation. Feeling constantly on edge, having a short fuse, or being easily angered by minor issues could be signs of underlying depression. These emotions often stem from the internal struggles and frustrations associated with the condition. A person grappling with depression may withdraw from social activities and isolate themselves. They might decline invitations, avoid gatherings, or limit interactions with friends and family. Social withdrawal can exacerbate feelings of loneliness and amplify the impact of depression, further hindering the individual's path to recovery. A sudden loss of interest in hobbies and activities that once brought joy and fulfillment can be a subtle sign of depression. Even activities that were once cherished may lose their appeal, leaving the individual feeling empty and disconnected. This loss of interest can further contribute to a sense of purposelessness and emotional decline. Depression can manifest physically, often causing unexplained aches and pains throughout the body. Chronic headaches, backaches, muscle tension, and digestive issues may accompany depressive feelings. These physical symptoms can intensify the overall distress experienced by the individual. Depression often involves a relentless cycle of negative self-talk and self-criticism. Individuals may constantly berate themselves, engaging in a stream of pessimistic thoughts about their worth, abilities, and future prospects. This self-deprecating internal dialogue can deepen the depression and hinder the healing process. Engaging in reckless behavior, such as substance abuse, dangerous driving, or risky sexual encounters, can be an attempt to cope with the emotional pain of depression. It's a way to escape the overwhelming thoughts and emotions temporarily. Recognizing the subtle signs of depression is vital for early intervention and effective management. If you or someone you know is experiencing any of these signs, seeking professional help from a mental health expert is crucial. Depression is a treatable condition, and with the right support and resources, individuals can embark on a path toward healing and improved mental well-being. Don't hesitate to reach out and prioritize your mental health. There is hope and help available.